Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Just wanted to do a little explanation, a little voiceover over this chibi drawing of my guardian. So I start out with a really quick block in with a marker, and then go instantly into rough line work. I do this once or twice, and on my later drawings, I'm much more precise with my line work. This is the first chibi drawing that I've made. This is a little series of drawing chibis for my clanmates in Destiny 2. Here I'm just cleaning up the lines. This is like my third step. One thing I found with the colors, I was able to, because I'm working, get my colors off of a screenshot I took from in-game, I'm able to make a color palette from an image within Procreate. And just like that, we're all just about done. So in summary, my drawing process for these chibis is to start out with like a rough marker drawing to get the basic shapes, go straight into a couple, 2 or 3 rough line works, and then one final refined line work before adding colors on a separate layer, and then adding details on a top layer to finish it all up. That's just about it. So thanks for watching this little video. I appreciate any likes, comments, and follows. We'll catch you guys next time with another video.